Good evening. The Walmark low pressure area formed into depression and then deep depression, and now today at 11:30 in over Bay of Bengal it has formed into cyclonic storm, name given as Jawad, pronunciation Jowad, and name is Jawad, and by tomorrow it is expected to reach North CAP and Odisha coast area. Then it would be recover and will move. Thing is, there would not be any impact on our state Maharashtra. Now coming to the system over Arabian Sea, the upper air cyclonic circulation over South Gujarat, North Konkan of South Gujarat, North Konkan coast area. So that upper air cyclonic circulation is still persisting, and the trough line over from that over Arabian Sea, that has become less important for our state. Based on that, it is said that next 48 hours there is chance of light rain at isolated places, mainly for 48 hours over Konkan, Goa and Madhya Maharashtra, and that too especially confined to the northern part, northwest part of our state. Over Marathwada, light isolated, very light to light isolated light rain, very light to light rain in isolated areas. Probability is there for next 48 hours, but for Vidarbha, only current 24 hours there is chance of rain. So after 48 hours, it is expected in our state, after current 48 hours, it is expected that in our state it would be mainly clear sky. And obviously 5th onward, it is expected that from northern part of our state, that northerly wind becoming not northeasterly may penetrate. So naturally it will help in lowering of temperature in our state after 48 hours. Now coming to Pune city and district forecast. Pune city and in and around area. So today it is generally cloudy sky, time to time overcast condition, and we have given forecast for light rain. Light rain you are aware of 2.5 to 15.5 millimeter in 24-hour cycle. Simultaneously, night, late night, early morning, there is chance of shallow fog current 48 hours. Means tonight, tomorrow early morning, and then day after tomorrow also. 4th, it is expected cloud amount will reduce. It will be partly cloudy sky and afternoon time generally cloudy sky. Very light rain chance cannot be ruled out on 4th, means tomorrow. Then 5th onward, it will be mainly clear sky. Afternoon time to time partly cloudy, but chance of rain may not be there. 6th to 9th of December, it would be mainly clear sky. And as I said, till 5th, there is chance of cloud. 3rd, 4th, there will be cloud. Night time also. 5th, night time may be clear. Naturally, 5th, night onward, northerly flow may penetrate. So, we are expecting fall in minimum temperature from 6th morning to even up to for a couple of days, even up to 9th of December. Now coming to whatever extended range forecast, IMD forecast is telling. The week for 3rd to 9th of December, rainfall little bit chances there over Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, maybe expected very light to light rain. And other area it would be mostly dry. Then during this period, week 3 to 9 December, Madhya Maharashtra and Vidarbha, including Pune, minimum temperature will be around or just more than normal. But in the next week, 10 to 16th of December, it is expected that in full state mostly minimum temperature would be less than normal. So that's all right now. Be safe, take your care, time to time, be watchful and check our website. That's all. Thank you everybody.